aka Everyday Monet, and before we get started in this Empties video, I wanted to share how are you feeling about this lip? Like, I am using some of the stuff that I did. Like, this was from an awesome Makeup Finds at Discount Store video, and this is the e.l.f. lipstick in Ravishing Red. Looks like that. It's not like a red type color, but I'm using it. It's really comfortable. I'm really liking it. And I topped it off with this Urban Decay Vice Special Effects, which looks like this. And then I just patted it on the little pout because it's almost Valentine's Day, and I'm hoping somebody will want to kiss me, but I'm not really sure. And then they're gonna be like, yeah, well, glitter and crap on your lips, like, I don't want to kiss you. But anyway, I was feeling it. So what do you think? Let me know. Have you used these special effects? Do you like them? I'll throw a little poll up there on that, and whether we like this lipstick. Yes or no? I mean, these are super cheap, so I don't know. I'm liking it. It's super comfortable. And I did a little bit of an exaggerated lip at the top. Just something I'm playing with. That's the best thing about makeup. It's like playing. Now, this is my first Empties video, and I kind of always shied away from these types of videos. So I'm not sure. Give it a thumbs up if you like this type of video. You might want to wait to the end to see like how I do my empties. I actually just keep this nice little cute 31 bag. And anytime I use a product, I just throw it in here. This is not going to necessarily be makeup specifically. It's going to be all kinds of things. So let's just dig in and see what's going on. So the first thing that I have is the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls conditioner, sulfate-free conditioner. I love this. I already have a new one in my shower. If you have natural curly hair, I think this is excellent line in general, but I love this conditioner. So that, yes, I would rebuy because I already rebought it. The next empty I have is another must-have, and this is the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin. When I use this one, this big bottle, I mean, it is expensive, but when I use this bottle up, I try to go and use some other things. I used like some Infusium and some other things, and I felt like it really messed my hair up. So I got the smaller one of these, but I really feel like what I had to do to like fix whatever damage this other leave-in stuff did, it just is, it's like not, I might as well just get this. This works, it keeps it nice, and so I love that. Let's just stay with the hair thing. The other thing that I used up is this Bamboo Smooth Kendi Dry Oil Micro Mist Ultimate Frizz Control for all hair types. I was in love with this spray, especially because when I straighten my hair, I don't wash it like constantly. So what I would do is actually spray this in as I was flat ironing it, and the smell was amazing. It was soft. I mean, I was obsessed. Okay, when I went to Ulta to get another one, you can see I got it on clearance, but like, you never know why they're on clearance. But when I went back to Ulta, they still carry the brand, but the brand discontinued this product. If you see this ever, get a good look at it. Please let me know, because I absolutely love it. I just miss this so much. So if I could repurchase this, I would, but I can't, so I'll cry. The next thing is this simple micellar cleansing water. This one was for sensitive skin. I use these cleansing wipes. You can see I have them right here. And these cleansing waters. So yes, I would repurchase it. I think they're great. I don't think you have to spend a ton of money on cleansing waters. So absolutely yes, would I use that again? I would. Then I have this Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 hemp oil pure castor Castile soap liquid. I am obsessed with these. I got this one at Ross for $4.99. You can get them at like Whole Foods. They come in different scents, lavender, and this is almond, hemp almond. I use these to clean my makeup brushes, and I think it's like, there's just nothing else I would use to clean my makeup brushes but this soap. So highly recommend this, and yes, I would use it again. I have a ton of products from First Aid Beauty, and the Ultra Repair Cream Moisturizer is the only moisturizer I use on my face. I should do a video about this. Like, I'm so weird. Like, I'll do my makeup for like 45 years, but like when it comes to skincare, if I can't just slap it on and it works, like I'm over it, okay? This is a cream that I feel like works on my face. I have combo oily skin, summer, winter. It's not super expensive. It's not super crazy. These were like point perks from Sephora, so I got them all up. I absolutely love this. I never have a problem with it. I never notice... My thing with skincare is like if I don't notice it, then I feel like it's doing the right job, okay? Because if I think my skin looks fine and I'm not, you know, having any problems, then great. When I notice stuff on my skin like weird pigmentation or dry spots or whatever, then I'm like, what am I using on my face? It's weird, okay? So you're a good skin product if I don't notice you. If I just put my makeup over you and I'm totally fine with it, you're good. This is like, I'll only use this from now on. Like that, I just hit myself with it. The other thing that I really like is their facial cleanser. Again, I have some cleansers that I'm using up, but for the most part, I'm just going to start using this. The other thing that I like is the Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer Moisturizer. The only thing about this is like the full size is super expensive, and I feel like, honestly, this... I use it all the time, but I think this would be really great in the summer because then I could kind of skip a step, and that's how I need to start using it. I think I have 1 or 2 more of these little ones, and I think I'm going to put it, I have a bin back over here that says off season, so that's where I put products that I like specifically have to use in a particular season. So I think I'm actually going to pull the little one out of my rotation and put it in there so I have it for the summer, and then see how I feel about it then. It's a good product, it works. I just think it would serve my collection better in the summertime. Then I have a couple of these number 7 products. I have the Beautiful Skin Purifying Mask in Normal Oily. This is like my go-to mask. Like, I also like the Freeman's masks, but this one, you can feel like this like tingling, and like you can feel it like pushing out dirt. Like it's like heats up. Yeah. It's a gentle thermal mask, so yeah, it heats up. I love this mask. I already bought another one. I'm already using it. I also have this Beautiful Skin Purifying Exfoliator for Normal Oily. It was fine. I sometimes don't like, see how there's like these little granules, like, it's like purifying, it's supposed to like unblock pores and get that out. Like, I don't mind that in a mask, but when I'm like trying to wash my face, I think it's because like when I'm washing my face, I'm not always wetting my hair, so I can't like just be like dousing all my whole face. And you have to do that when you have those little granule things, so I kind of shy away from things, so I'm not going to buy this again. If you wash your face in the shower and, you know, you're getting your hair wet and you're rinsing everything fully clean, I think you might actually like it. Like, it worked. Just for the way, you know, that I do things and the fact that I have natural curly hair that I straighten. I can't be getting it wet every other day. And then I don't want, like granules all up in my hairline. So, it doesn't work for my routine. But it was a fine product. Next is this all-nighter makeup setting spray. And I don't remember what the difference between this one and the white, or the other one. This one was fine, but I think I like the other one better. I don't know if these are the same or not, but I like this one in the dark bottle better. And in general, I just really like these Urban Decay All-Nighter Sprays. I really like them. This is my holy grail! The Bastille Dry Shampoo. Again, I don't wash my hair all the time because I straighten my hair a lot. And I feel like this dry shampoo is the best. A, the smells are great. B, it doesn't give like a huge like white cast. And how I really like to use this is I will actually spray the dry shampoo all in my hair before I go to bed. And then as you go to bed, it like works in and sucks in the oils and things like that. And then you just brush it through in the morning. I have travel sizes. I have regular sizes. I keep that everywhere. Okay. And the other thing is, like, if you have people around you that like smoke, that's a great thing to like kind of get rid of that smoking smell, especially if you don't smoke. Well, and if you smoke, that's great for that too. I actually have a huge bag in here, so we're going to do 2 more, and then I'll just do another empties video if you like that. But the other... Oh, here, I have another... Oh, this was the one I didn't like. So I liked the Urban Decay All Nighter. I did not like this one, which was the De-Slick makeup setting spray for oil control. I did not feel like it worked. And I have super oily skin. Like, this was not... The makeup... The all-nighter spray is fine. Then I started using this one, and it was a hot mess. So I do not suggest that one. Next is this Clinique Rinse Off Foaming Cleanser. I got this in a deluxe sample. I like it. There's nothing wrong with it. I think it's great. Again, I'm just really into my First Aid Beauty stuff, so I wouldn't repurchase this. But if I could get it as like a little perk or whatever, I totally would. Or free gift with purchase, I would be happy with that. So if you're into Clinique, it's good. It's just, it's not gonna like replace my other cleanser. And last for today is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and this is an Eden. This was the one that had like some opacity to it. I like the Primer Potion, but I'm actually partial to the Lorac, and I buy a lot of Lorac, so they always give you like a free sample one, and like it lasts forever. So in general, I don't see myself buying an eyeshadow primer anytime soon, and if I did, I don't know, I might get this, I might not. I'm really, like I said, I'm really into my Lorac one, so if I was actually to like full on purchase one, I think I would just purchase that, or something from, try some stuff from the drugstore. So that's what I have for you in the empties for this week. I think I'll go ahead and do another one for next time. And if you like empties videos, let me know. It's not something I've done before, and again, I'm not opposed to it. Ew, stink bug! I'm not opposed to doing them if they're beneficial to you. Some people really like them, so give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment. Have you tried any of these products? Do you like them? Do you not like them? Do you have any suggestions? I really love when you leave comments. I love your feedback. I like sharing, you know, these little inside secret type stuff. If you see this oil spray anywhere, please let me know. Other than that, that's what I have for you. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you have a super day. See you in my next video. Bye.